Hello, today we'll talk about three of the basic data structures available in the Python. The three data structures are a list, a tuple, and a dictionary. So a list is an ordered list of things in Python. It can be heterogeneous, it can contain any number of elements, and there's no fixed size which you need to declare. It can grow dynamically. It's similar to a list structure available in most other languages. So you create a list via telling its elements enclosed in the square brackets. And if you see do a type on any object like that, you see that it says type list. A tuple is similar to a list, but the difference is that while a list can grow as and when needed, a tuple's size is determined when it's first created. So once you have created a tuple, you cannot I cannot add anything to it, you cannot remove anything to it, and its type is tuple. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So here A corresponds to 1, B corresponds to 2, and we declare them by defining the key value pairs separated by a comma and enclosed in curly brackets. So if you do a type on it, you will say that its type is a dict. So now do a dir on all the three objects which we created. So if you do a dir on a list, you will see all these methods available on it, which aren't really so commonly used directly. Those are coming from the superclasses, but the interesting ones are append, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, and sort. So they are fairly descriptive. Append will add something to a list, count will tell you the number of elements in it, extend will take another list and extend the first list by the second list, and so on. If you do a dir on a tuple, you will see that it doesn't really have all the methods which a list has, because a list was extendable and its size can be changed, new elements can be added and removed, but these are not available in a tuple. So you'll see it has only two interesting methods, count and index. Count will tell you number of elements in it, and index will give you the index of any object within this tuple. If you do a dir on a dict, it will give you a number of interesting methods available on a dictionary. For example, you can pass the key and get the value using get, and you could get all the items. For example, a dict.items would have given you 1, 2, and keys, which will give you 1, a, b on from our dict. It gives you all the keys from this dictionary, and so on. So these are what you have in a dictionary. So these are the three very basic data structures which you will have to use every day when you are working with Python. And I suggest you use dir on your objects, and then see all the methods they have, and then play with them.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.